Objective 9.5, to be able to find all angle measures in radians and/or degrees when given a trigonometric ratio. This is a non-calculator objective referring to your unit circle. So here we have the tangent of theta equals -1. We're talking about theta, which refers to degrees. So we want to find all the angle locations in degrees that have a ratio of -1. Tangent is defined as the opposite divided by the adjacent, and tangent is negative. So we got to think about what kind of triangle would we have where the numerator and the denominator would divide out to give us a 1, and it's negative. That means we'd have to have a side of the triangle going in each direction, either left and up or right and down. So the quadrants that would happen would be in quadrants 2 and 4. So if we start drawing, we know the hypotenuse, the radius is always 1. Now, what kind of triangle would have the same side lengths? So when you divided them, you'd end up with that 1 again. That would have to happen for your 45-degree triangles, where the side lengths are the square root of 2's. So if our reference angle is 45, we want to think about in our circle, right, counting by 45s, what angle location ends up here and here? Well, if we count, there's 1, 2, 3 sets of 45, so this would be our 135 degrees. And then we could do 4, 5, 6, 7 sets of 45s, that would be 315 degrees. So we could write it as 135 and 315. And notice the repeated values happen every 180 degrees. So we're going to add that to our location saying, yeah, I can stop at 135, but I only have to go another 180 degrees and get a repeated value. Go 180 degrees and get the repeated value. So these are the two locations where the tangent of theta is equal to -1. Now let's say instead of tangent of theta, they ask for tangent of x. X implies that you're talking in radians. Well, we could figure out the radian measurement here and here as well. Again, counting by pi over 4s, we said that was 3 sets of pi over 4 and 7 sets of pi over 4. So we could write our radian measurements as 3 pi over 4 plus 2 plus pi n and 7 pi over 4 plus pi n. Those are all the locations where the tangent of the angle is equal to -1.